Hello gamers and welcome back to Galaxy A12. And in today's video I want to show you that in FSX there's fire. I think that is not included for some reason in Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020. That is a 14 years later FSX version. So yeah, let's go ahead and take off this A321. Okay, looking good. Now let's go into the faders. Oh no, wrong button. Sorry guys. Cancel. Okay, now let's go into the faders. Here we go. We are in the faders. And as you can see in the section engines, we have also engine fire. So let's just set it to failed. Yes. Here we go. And now let's wait for it. Yes, look at this engine fire. Yeah, it isn't all that much realistic, yeah. But it's still something. But for some reason, the plane is not exploding, but the engine is still on fire. And we cannot even press the extinguisher button into the cockpit, so yeah. So let's come for an emergency landing. I don't know where I can land, but so here, no, oh no, oh, and just back in the plane, yeah. What? Okay, let's wait for the plane to stop. I'm still waiting, yeah. I'm still waiting. Uh-oh. The FPS, look at the FPS, lol. Yeah, look at this plane that's just jumping for any reason. Okay, and we probably stopped. No, we're still moving. Let's wait some other minute to just turn on parking brake. Okay, let's turn into the cockpit view and turn on parking brake. Okay, this is wing. And this is cockpit, yeah. Let's turn on parking brake. Okay, here we go, parking brake is engaged. And now it's time to turn off the engines. I don't know, what the hell am I doing? I just turned it on at them for some reason. I don't know why. Yeah. In fact, they are not shutting down. Yeah. Okay, let's shut down both of the engines. Yes. Now the engines are shutting down as well. Yes, look at this. And now it's time for a very professional maneuver. Retracting landing gear on the ground. I don't know if this is gonna work seriously. Let's try out. Yeah. The thing goes up, but landing gear is still down, so yeah, it doesn't work. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. See you guys tomorrow.